Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to test a new mouse. This mouse is specific for 3D software. The name is 3Dconnexion CADMouse and we call it CADMouse. So I'm going to test it in Blender 5.1. For this mouse, once you already install the driver, it will automatically detect the software. So now I'm in Blender 5.1. You can see it have 3 clicks at here. This is the normal right click. If I click on that, the normal right click, it will just a normal right click. But what about another click at the center here? If I hold on it, then you can see it is just like a mouse center click. Then use the center click to rotate the camera view in Blender. The preview camera, this is the center click. And then what about the real center click at here? If I click on that, this is the mouse wheel. If I click on that, you can see it will automatically hold the shift together so that I can move the preview camera. It is really designed for Blender. This is Blender 5.1. And then of course, for the left click, it is just a normal left click. Right. So this is the mouse wheel. Then what about the 2 buttons set here? If I click it, you can see it really zooms very fast in and out. This is really fast. So all are just without setup, it automatic detect. Then you can see the center here, there is another button. This is for setting. If I click on that, it will automatic detect. And then if I select this first, alright, first I have to select a 3D mesh first, then click the center button. Let's say if I click this, you can see it is just a shortcut to zoom. Sorry, it is just a shortcut to just resize any of the 3D model. See? Resize the 3D model. Then what about if I click one more time, if I choose this, this is to fit the view. You can see automatic it will fit the view. Even it is from far away. If it already selected, I click and fit the view. This is quite important for the normal, for the Blender workflow as well. Alright, so I use the middle button to rotate. And then I try one more function. This is rotation. See, I can rotate it just by using the shortcut. If I press X, it is going to rotate at the X axis. If Z, then rotate at the Z axis. And if I press C, if I press Y, it is going to rotate in Y axis. So Control Z. Then what about the rest? You can customize it. What about this? This is to translate the object. If I press Y, translate along the Y axis, X axis, and Z axis. Alright, it is really easy to use. And what else? You have this. This is just the select mode, the normal select mode you can choose from here. Alright, that's all for today about my testing on my new mouse, the 3Dconnexion CADmouse, and what we call the CADMouse Compact Wireless. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel for more 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing software and tutorials. And that's all for today. See you in my next video. See you.